Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have some news of the date of release for Windows 11 22H2. Now, if you're on the insider rings, you might have been testing this for a while, especially in the release preview and beta channel. 22H2 has been testing now for several weeks. It will be build 22621. And of course, as you see here, I already have it on my PC. So the official release for Windows 11 22H2 is September 20th. So apparently we have a date. We knew it was probably in September. Some people are saying somewhere between September 5th or later, but there was no definitive date. Now, according to what we see, we do have a definitive date that has been given for Sun Valley 2, which is now the second version of Windows 11. It's going to be a seamless update pretty much. It will come through Windows Update, so that means that when you're going to be checking out your Windows updates, you will see that there's going to be an optional update to push you to the version 22H2. And of course, it's going to be a little bit like Windows 10. Seekers first, and then there's going to be some of you that won't see it necessarily because of maybe some compatibility issues with something that you have on your PC. And as time goes by, it's going to be showing up on more and more computers. And at some point, everybody's going to see it and be able to move to Windows 11 22H2. So September the 20th is when this is going to happen now. And so this is kind of interesting. Comes from multiple reports, apparently. So it's pretty definitive that unless something really unusual happens, September the 20th is the official date for the release. If you're in the Insider program, by the way, and want to make sure that you get out, don't forget that when you go to your Insider program settings, just make sure that you have stopped getting preview builds and that you are queued for unenrollment. Make sure that this is on. This means on September 20th, when it's official, your PC is going to revert back to the standard release of Windows 11 rather than being in the Insider program. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching.